Oh, look, it used to be a house, though. It just stairs up to something.
Polar pop. That's a mattress. I don't know what I'm on. It's cracking. Polar pop. Hit it. Damn it. Ah! Damn it. I just want to take the lid off. Just keeps going. I'm gonna have to take this off because it's already starting to go around it. I just pulled right out. Okay. Oh god, poor baby. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Flick it out on this side.
It's gonna hurt.
It's really stuck on this side.
Okay.
Don't go away. Okay. Look, a squirrel.
I gotta take that, buddy. Pardon me. Can you leave a little snack? No way. In the garbage. Look at this. Yay. Death. Number 2. Peace. Fairy. It's blurred out.